Hey, Breelys! So today we're going to be making clear slime. So we already poured our glue on our plate, but it's fine. And to make it clear, we have clear Tide. So yeah.
I'm gonna get the air bubbles out first.
So when you make clear slime, it takes like 2 to 3 days to make it like
Clear.
like
A lot of clear.
like water clear.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna wait 2 days to make it more clear. So yeah, let me mix it too.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready to. So this, I'm ready to make my slime. So this is me and Leah's second time making clear slime, but we got blue, what is it? Detergent, and then it turned blue. Okay. So excited, you guys. The Tide, the same color as the.
It's clumping already.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like gel so far because
Like yeah, hair gel.
yeah.
Like the Oh, sorry. Just bring it over there. Like the Tide is the same color as the glue.
Is that?
Comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. Mine's clear.
Mine's too. Look at mine, look.
Oh. See, you see how it's
Oh my
turning
God, it
foggy,
feels so
but it's
good.
fine. It's gonna turn clear.
Yeah, see, look.
Oh, look at that, you guys. It's like crystals.
Is that cool?
Cause you know when it snowed, it'd be ice crystals. That's how it's turning
It
out.
looks like this, you guys. It's ready for
Okay. Alright, keep it. Okay, put it down. It's gonna fall.
Already, like the Tide fell.
Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it.
Alright, I need like a napkin or something.
Let me see. I'm gonna add a little bit more Tide and then I'm gonna start kneading.
Oh my God.
So yeah, if you don't want your clear glue to be blue, you get clear Tide. Or if, or you could use borax or contact solution, because those are clear activators too. I couldn't get my words out. You guys, it's turning good.
Keep getting
I know. Clear glue takes more activator than,
Yeah, you gotta add like a lot of Tide and stuff.
or just any activator really.
Alright,
Like, it takes more activator than
with my hand.
Yeah, me too. So, let me get my words out. Clear activator takes more, clear glue takes more activator than white glue.
Yeah. You mean, oh yeah, you can. Clear.
Okay, yeah, let me do like Leah. Knead. I'll put my spoon right here.
Look at that noise.
The noise it's making.
Oh my God, that noise is so sticky.
You guys.
So sticky, my arms hurt. Oh my God. It looks like white glue because like it gotta sit for a few days, like 2 days.
You guys, look at this.
I'm about to move my plate
So
out the
stretchy.
way. And eat it on the table.
Let me see how yours feel. It feels good.
Give me some time.
Can't even tell what the Tide is because the glue. The Tide is so clear.
Exactly.
This is a workout, you guys.
Oh my God, no.
My shoulders.
My shoulders too.
Oh, it's coming together, Leah. Yours? I still got more slime on my plate.
Mine too. Look, you guys.
Ooh, look at this. Just trying to get it off the table. I need a little more time.
So sticky.
When we make bubbles,
I need time.
when we make bubbles, it's gonna be clear.
Yeah.
I don't add too much time because
Oh my God.
I don't want it to
It's brainy
overactivate.
already. Like mine's like just brainy already. Like look.
You just gotta keep kneading it, Liv. You know how slime works. Ah, what happened?
I did that and it said.
You scratched yourself?
Yeah.
You okay? Look, you guys, it's like snow. Don't it look like
Exactly.
snow a little?
Exactly.
Like,
Or like the paper plate. Because like it gotta sit for like a few days.
do you need time? I know.
I think so.
Here, well,
Just
let's
add
not
a little
forget we
bit.
got Tide on our plate.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's getting brainy like yours.
You know how slime works for you, like you said to me. Alright, no more activator for
Yeah.
mine, because mine's getting hard.
No, mine's not. It's just brainy. Let me see. That's fine. That's a good texture. Because once you add some of that glue, it'll make it even softer. You guys, this is so nice.
Whoa.
It's everywhere.
Exactly.
Gosh. Just to know, this takes a lot of activator.
Exactly.
And a lot of kneading. And a lot of work. A lot of work to knead.
Like Bree said, this is a workout.
Let me see that a little more.
Oh my god, there's more. Let's see, guys. Wait, I'm about to mix it. And then in my hands, and then you guys can hear.
Leah.
That's
That
what
noise.
ASMR.
Who's that? Yeah, ASMR. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together, you guys.
Mine too.
I just can't wait until
It's done.
get it clear. Yeah. It's like chunks getting on my hands. Look at my hands, Liv. You
It's
guys.
tied on my chair.
Pick it up with your slime.
No, I'm not paying out of my phone.
It's tied. Guys.
You know how much stuff that been on the chair? And stuff in. Oh my god. It's
Yeah,
already
tied.
stuff in my slime.
That's how clear glue does. Picks up stuff so fast. Well, slime, period. Oh, still glue on there.
Let me get
Like,
some
it's-
of yours.
Look at that, Lee. You still got some. You guys, it's a lot of.
He hit some of yours.
No.
Please.
You guys, it's a lot of glue that come in those bottles.
Exactly. But it'd be like more than the Amherst glue. Like the little bottle. Like it's about the same amount, but it's like a little bit more than the
I think the clear glue is a little bigger than the
Amherst.
white glue, yeah. Because I think the Elmer's white glue is a 4 ounce.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I think this is a 5 ounce.
something like that.
6 ounce.
It's probably not that much big.
But I know that it's bigger than the Amherst, the other one. And the purple Amherst glue, that is so small. Like that's the smallest.
Oh
glue
yeah,
they
so
ever
when
made.
we went to go get this, we saw some purple Elmer's glue. Like I seen it on YouTube before. They said it don't work, but
But I don't believe them.
some people had made some
Out of
glue out of that, but I don't want to try it.
Oh don't want to try anything. That's it. Because it might not work.
Yeah.
The only favorite glues is the glitter
Let me
glue.
feel yours. Oh, that's glue.
Clear and
Oh yeah, the clear glitter glue.
oh my gosh.
You guys, I keep mixing my words up today. Okay, I think that should be enough glue.
Yeah. Because it's already like giant black means.
Yeah, if we put that together, it will be like a lot.
Like it'll be like
But I don't want to put them together.
like 7 ounces. Or something.
What?
Okay, let's see how clear it is.
Wait, not yet.
Oh.
Let it fall on the table. You can look right through it. Okay, you
You
guys.
guys, look. Look, you guys, I'm about to do a cool thing for you guys that I just did.
Ugh, keep going all over my hands. A little side. Do you need a little bit more?
No,
Sorry.
mine's fine.
Okay.
Feel it.
Yeah.
You guys, look. Look what I'm about to do, guys. Look. Oh my god, it's so crunchy.
Ooh. Okay.
It looks like butter slime, like really straight.
Yeah, stuff in my slime, you guys.
Remember, like you said to me, because it happened to me too. You said every slime get stuff in it.
Okay, you guys. Thank you guys for watching our video. Oh, go ahead. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.